collar, put your chin on your knuckles, bend your knees, twist as fast as you can.
This little girl just escaped by twisting like Twister the Tornado.
Twister the Tornado. When someone really has grabbed you, how do you get away? And you're only 4 years old. Twist like a tornado, and they can do it.
Come on. Now I'm gonna...
Frank Flora Jr. and Michael Ray Graves are the founders of Kidini. They're teaching children from Brandywine Childcare and Preschool how to recognize and get away from child predators.
Kidini is a child safety program, bully prevention. We protect children from sexual predators, pedophiles, by teaching them how to recognize, avoid, and I highlight, escape sexual predators and pedophiles.
They teach by using kid-friendly characters they've developed.
We teach children without scaring them. They laugh, they have fun, and the power of music teaches the children how to recognize, avoid, and escape dangerous situations, how to be aware.
Isaac the Owl teaches awareness.
If someone said, your mom told you to get in my car, say no. Who can say no? No. Because you remember Isaac the Owl is very smart. He says, no, that's a trick, right?
Yeah.
This dinosaur teaches kids to keep the distance of a dinosaur between them and a stranger.
When we get away, we want to get away as big as a... Yes!
Now, if that doesn't work and the person, let's say, comes after the child, well, Leaper teaches a move, low and go, because the children will freeze. They'll get scared. But no, if they know a technique, low and go, they might be able to get away.
This is low and go. Leaper the Frog's move to avoid being grabbed. If a predator does grab the child, they're taught to twist like Twister the Tornado.
Twist. Don't let me hit you.
The moves that Michael created are phenomenal because we understood that a small child's not going to be able to beat up an adult, right? But you can do things to break away, to create distance so you can get away.
Flora and Graves created a lesson book for parents and their kids.
And most important, the parent has to be involved. As the greatest coach in the world is a parent. And they reiterate that lesson all the time.
Flora says people don't like to talk about child predators because it's a tough subject, but it's time to talk.
At that moment, what would you tell your child to do? How would you direct your child to escape, to be safe? Well, if you don't know, it's okay, but we do know, and we will help you.
Helping parents protect their children.
We're not here to scare you. We're here to empower you with the knowledge that your children can recognize, avoid dangerous situations, and escape.
Yeah, give me a 5.
Are you ready?
Jimmy, that was fun.
Who knows how to do this now?
In Claymont, Lauren Hewitt, 1017 FM, 1150 AM, WDEL.